I know it is the whole day that we're eating, but before leaving I'd love to try some balls. So many balls. Many more balls. Balls. They're eggs in this case probably. Balls. Almost balls. 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 They finally found the fish balls I was searching for. One origin. Meatballs are much better than the fish balls. It's egg. They are all tiny eggs. So they're cooking egg birds and they're putting them on a stick, which is pretty interesting, but it's probably too heavy to digest. Okay. One big beer and bao pork.
200. Thank you.
We're gonna try the Taiwanese beer and this Xiaolong bao pork. Xiaolong bao pork. If Valeria approves after living in Asia for so many years, it must be good. Let's try it. This plate and this beer, less than $3. Now that we have tried the balls, we can finally leave this village. This shop looks amazing. Wow. That's incredible. No? Yeah. Very tempted by this postcard. Made in wood. We have Valerio buying half of the shop. The Ramon shirt, and I was asking also for the Dragon Ball 1 myself, but of course they do not have my size. You know guys, being a handsome guy is very painful. They do not have the size of your shirt. Thank you. Okay, we're approaching the end of the street where there is a panoramic view. Let's see. This one seems like a Polish shop in Taiwan. What is the coffee?
It's a coffee that this animal needs to shit, and then you will drink it.
So we have to eat the shit of this animal? Okay man, so should we try a coffee made from the shit of this animal? Should we? Okay. Let's go and see. Vediamo quanto costa. So this coffee costs $540. Therefore it will be good to try when I'll be making money on YouTube, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Subscribe. Okay, we are finally trying to leave Jiufen. We just need to find a bus station. More boats.